You're contemplating bringing a lawsuit for an accident case or medical malpractice, and you want to know, if your case goes all the way to trial, can you sit with your attorney at counsel table during your trial? You want to know the answer? It may surprise you to learn the answer. Come join me for a moment as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is, it depends. It depends on which county you're in. For example, in Nassau County, in Queens County, in New York County, you will not be permitted to sit at your attorney's table during the course of your trial. In some other counties, in some other courtrooms, you might be permitted, depending upon whether the judge allows the injured victim to go ahead and sit at the same table with the attorney. Now, I want to share something else with you that you may not recognize immediately, especially if you've never been in a courthouse and actually observed a trial. The way that certain courtrooms are set up, either the attorney's table is closest to the jurors or they're closest to the judge. Whichever way the courtroom is set up, one table is assigned to the injured victim's attorney, known as a plaintiff's attorney. The other table is for the defense lawyers. And now, in cases where you have tables set up side by side, where one side is closer to the jurors, did you know that in almost every instance, the plaintiff's attorney will sit closest to the jurors? In cases where you have one table set up right in front of the other, and then you have the judge's bench in front of that, do you know who sits closest to the judge? The answer is the plaintiff's attorney. So now, why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you one tidbit of information about what happens, because a lot of injured victims, when they're contemplating deciding whether or not to bring a lawsuit, they're always thinking way ahead. And what if my case goes to trial? Will I have an opportunity to sit at the same table as my attorney? Depending upon which courtroom, which courthouse you're in, the answer will likely be no, you won't be able to. You'll probably be sitting in the back of the courtroom, and now the attorneys are the only ones who are going to be sitting at counsel table. You not realize you're watching this because you likely have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, there's something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a fantastic day.